Welcome to the Eve Hotel, a Michelin Key winning hotel located in Sydney, Australia. This hotel officially opened its doors in 2025. Can't forget their incredible rooftop pool as well. This is my time at the Eve Hotel and everything I ate here. Starting from when I arrived to check in during the day, my wife and I wanted a quick staycation and thought one night would be perfect. This hotel is located in the suburb of Surry Hills in Sydney, and walking through the doors you are met with creative designs and colours that stand out, but the open plan layout allows everything to blend seamlessly. Once your room is ready, they will guide you to your room number and you will walk through a pretty long corridor that actually connects to one of the restaurants on site called Olympus. Stay tuned for my review of that restaurant later in the video. We stayed in the Sunset Balcony King Room, and I believe all the balcony rooms are located in this part of the hotel. We were in room 103, and the first thing walking in was the wash area to your left, with separate toilet entry and a separate shower entry as well. Now, the curved designs with the green tiles really worked well together. It creates a very cozy atmosphere. You also have the minibar area and the coffee station. And yes, the snacks and drinks are extra, but the coffee is free. Moving on to the sleeping area, we really loved the green and wooden features. It created such a warm atmosphere. We actually loved it and didn't want to leave the room at all. And we didn't, except when we needed to eat. Next is the balcony, surrounded by a tall garden which creates more privacy. It definitely is peaceful sitting out here during the day. I always heard how amazing their rooftop pool was, but I did not actually believe it until I finally saw it for the first time with my own eyes. You can even book a cabana and they serve drinks and light bites by the pool as well. This pool was one of the key features that earned this hotel a place in the Michelin Guide. The Eve Hotel is right next to Wonderlic Lane, a little precinct that has different dining options next to each other. We had dinner at the Olympus restaurant. This is the restaurant that you can access via the Eve Hotel that I mentioned earlier, serving Greek cuisine. This restaurant is beautifully laid out with a tree just casually hanging out in the middle. Over here we ordered 4 entrees, a potato and leek pie, the fava bean dip with bread, a golden cheese saganaki, and the 4th one came out later. We started with the cheese saganaki while it was still hot. Oh, hot. Onion. Oh, wow. So that was a cheese saganaki. It's basically similar to like a halloumi cheese, although fried on a pan. And then you got the hot honey in there with the lemon. That flavor is incredible. Felt so good. Next up, I'm going to try the fava bean dip on the bread. Bismillah. Oh, wow. The fava bean dip, beautiful. It's got dill in there, diced up onions, a bit of lemon. It's got like a nice citrusy flavor to it. Fantastic. Next up, I've got the potato and leek pita pie. It's got a good amount of potato in there. The flavor of the leek is definitely coming through. That cheese that they've got on top as well adds an extra depth of flavor. Very, very nice. The 4th entree finally came out. It's octopus, almond scardalia, and potato. That's so nice. Oh yeah. Oh wow. The garlic, along with that potato and the grilled octopus, is amazing. Oh wow, that's incredible. I need a second bite. And you got parsley on top. Mm, very, very nice. And the octopus is not overcooked, nice and tender, and it works well with those potatoes. We ordered the marinated lamb ribs for the main, which naturally don't have as much meat, but we thought we'd give it a try with a side of hand-cut chips. I've also dipped it in the yogurt. So the lamb ribs, beautiful flavor, fantastic. But there's not much meat on the bone, that's the only thing. Otherwise, flavor is incredible. The fat just melts in your mouth. All right, and these are the hand-cut chips that they fried as well. Standard. Crispy and a nice and fluffy and potatoey, cloudy inside. Something controversial for dessert, we ordered the Greek frozen yogurt with olive oil, candied fig and a sprinkle of salt, and a brulee rice pudding with hazelnut on top. This is the rice pudding, it's been bruleed and it's got hazelnut on top. Bismillah. Oh, good. And this is the Greek frozen yogurt with the candied fig. It's got olive oil and sea salt on top. Bismillah. Oh, wow. Wow. What the heck? That's crazy. Olive oil with Greek frozen yogurt. And the candied fig is amazing. That's incredible. What the heck? Why are you laughing? It works. That works. I'm so surprised. I don't know how to explain the taste or the texture. And then the salt added with it is amazing. I'm not joking. This is probably one of the best things I've ever had, and it's so light. Look at the olive oil just dripping from it. That's nuts. All right, just wrapped up at Olympus Dining. Would I go back there again? Definitely. We absolutely love this place. It's Greek cuisine, and yeah. The next morning, the day of our checkout, we had breakfast at the famous Bar Julius, a cafe that is famous with the locals and known for their pancakes. They also serve pastries, but I didn't get that this time, and my wife ordered this wild mushroom toast, which I had no interest in because all I wanted was their buttermilk pancakes with whipped orange creme fraiche and strawberry gum maple syrup. Cutting into it, you could just feel how soft the pancakes were, and it was absorbing all of that maple syrup. All right, so we got their maple pancakes with creme fraiche. That's incredible. Man, the pancake is so thick, soft, fluffy. It just drinks up all that maple syrup. So the pancakes had a whipped orange creme fraiche and a strawberry gum maple syrup, and it was amazing. And you got those hints of strawberry that sneak through. Whether you're holidaying in Sydney or just a local in need of a staycation, the Eve is one place you can add to your list of hotels because we loved our night here. Our time at the Eve Hotel is now done. Would I come back here? Definitely.